Hello everyone, welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial video. Now in this video I will show you how to add an animated neon text effect in Premiere Pro. Now first of all, let's just go here and let's add a text here. So let's just add welcome, and what we'll do is we will actually go here to effects and we'll just change this to a much better font. So let's just change it to this font right here. And let's just change it like this, so welcome. And for the purpose of this video, I'll just go and have a color matte which is black, just so you can see the change in the color. Okay, now we have this. What we can do is we can also go to Essential Graphics. We can change everything right here. If you don't see Essential Graphics, you can go here, Window, Essential Graphics, and basically what we want to do is go with a shadow and make sure that we add a neon shadow right here. So let's just add a neon shadow. Now once we have that, we can actually duplicate this layer. So how can you duplicate this layer? What I do is I basically cut here the layer and I drag it underneath, and that's basically how I duplicate my layer. So and then as you can see, I can basically do it like this. Make sure it's like this. Okay, once I have this, I can add a Gaussian blur on top of this layer right here. And then what I need to do is go to the effect controls. And as you can see, I have a Gaussian blur right here. So as you can see, we have video, where it is. So let me just find it. Graphics, Gaussian blur right here. And as you can see, we go here and basically go to blurriness. And what you can do is you can actually add a keyframe, 120, and then you can add a keyframe again, 40, and you can basically change it like that, right? And you can play around with this. I mean, it's really stuff to play around with. You can see vertical as well as horizontal. It looks really awesome. So yeah, you can play around with this obviously, but this is basically how you can go and add an animated neon text effect in Premiere Pro. Now you can change these to maybe 40, and then here to like 20 as well. So that's a little bit better, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.